In the fall of 2021, the Klondike Placer Miners Association, or the KPMA, officially launched KPMA 101. Through this program, we are creating training and compliance modules that support proactive, responsible, and forward-looking placer miners. Built for placer miners by placer miners, our learning modules are industry-driven and focus on three main categories: earthworks and reclamation, planning and regulatory issues, as well as community and engagement. Hi, I'm Brooke Rudolph, Executive Director of the Klondike Placer Miners Association. In this module of KPMA 101, we will walk through the KPMA 101 app step by step. This module will take less than 10 minutes. Additional information about our program and becoming a member can be found on our website at kpma.ca. Access to the app is free for all Gold Nugget or higher members and their employees. Access is renewed annually with your KPMA membership. We will provide members a single username that can be shared amongst your team. You will also receive a temporary password that can be changed and shared as you like. Once you have received your login and password, the first step is downloading the app on your phone. The KPMA 101 app can be downloaded through the Apple App Store or through Google Play. After opening the App Store on your phone or tablet, tap the search icon and type KPMA 101 into the search bar. Click the Get button and follow the prompts on your phone or tablet to approve the download. When the program is finished downloading, click the Open icon. You will be prompted to enter your username and a temporary password that we've emailed you. Then click Login. To access KPMA 101 from Google Play, go to the Google Play Store at play.google.com. In the search bar, type KPMA 101 and hit Enter. Double-click on the app to download and then click Open. When the program has finished downloading, you will be prompted to enter the username and temporary password we have emailed you and the login. Congratulations! You now have access to KPMA 101. Thank you for demonstrating your commitment to our industry. On the landing page, you can access modules by category: earthworks and reclamation, planning and regulatory, and community and engagement. Click on the category you would like to explore, then click on the module you wish to watch. By clicking the Download button, you can save the module onto your phone or tablet for viewing later. You're also able to watch each chapter by streaming them using a Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Every module has been broken down into chapters or mini videos, so if you get disrupted, it's easy to come back and finish them later. After watching the videos, click on Take the Quiz to test your knowledge. The Quiz button will take you directly to question 1. Some questions will ask for a single best answer, others will want you to select all that apply. Some are true and false, others multiple choice. Once you have read the question and selected your answer, click the Validate button to find out if you were right. Click the Next Question button and repeat until the end of the quiz. At the end of the quiz, you will get your final score and the opportunity to retry if needed. Click the Finish the Quiz button when you're done and return back to the module. On the top left of your screen, there is a drop-down menu with 3 features: Saved Modules, Reports, and FAQs. KPMA 101 was created to be accessible offline. Modules can be downloaded when you have strong internet or cellular service and then watched at your convenience in the field. We built this function to allow you to use city Wi-Fi to save content onto your device before going out to camp, which usually has limited internet capabilities. When you're ready, you can find your downloaded videos under Saved Modules. Reports that are private to KPMA staff can be generated to track some basic information about what modules and quizzes have been accessed. Because we developed the app to be accessible offline, when miners are in the field, these stats will not be shared with us until you send them to us. After completing a module, please be sure to go to Reports and click on Send Usage Reports whenever you have Wi-Fi or service. When you send a report, it helps us assess our program and can also help us to share information with you about how many people have completed quizzes. This is a great way to show your due diligence in worker training. Let us know if you want a copy. The app also has a section of answers of some frequently asked questions. If you have suggestions for Q&As we should include, send them to me at kpma@kpma.ca. Finally, if for any reason you want to log out of the program, you can do so at the bottom of this drop-down menu. If you log out, you will be asked to provide your username and password to log in again. If you stay logged in, you will automatically access the modules the next time you open the app. We built the KPMA app to be easy for you and your team to use. we have provided a single username and password for your company to be shared with your team. When we email you your username and temporary password, you will also receive a link that can be used to update this password immediately. If, in the future, the password needs to be reset, there is a Forgot Your Password link on the login page under Username and Password. As a security measure, to ensure that employees aren't changing the password too frequently, only the primary site contact can change the password. After clicking on Forgot Your Password, you will be asked to enter the email registered with your KPMA membership. That person will receive instructions in their inbox to reset the password immediately. Of course, we're happy to help in the office, so please reach out with your questions at any time. Thank you for joining us on this how-to module. We hope you and your team enjoy KPMA 101, and thanks in advance for sending us your usage reports. Thanks for watching.